Welcome to our channel, where legends of automotive history come alive. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey into the world of the DeLorean DMC, the ultimate cult car that redefined futuristic design and captured imaginations worldwide. With its sleek stainless steel body and revolutionary gull-wing doors, the DeLorean isn't just a car, it's a time machine. Born in the vibrant 1980s, visionary designer John DeLorean challenged the status quo, creating an icon that merged cutting-edge technology with pure, unbridled innovation. And who could forget its unforgettable role in Back to the Future? That film transformed the DeLorean into a global phenomenon, sparking a passion among car enthusiasts and sci-fi fans alike. In this video, we're diving deep into the captivating history, the daring design, and the enduring legacy of this automotive masterpiece. Buckle up as we explore how the DeLorean continues to inspire, challenge, and push the boundaries of what a car can be. If you love high-octane innovation, timeless style, and a dash of movie magic, you're in the right place. Let's hit the road and travel back in time together. Immerse yourself in the captivating history of the DeLorean DMC-12, not just a car, but a symbol of radical innovation and fearless ambition. In the vibrant yet turbulent 1980s, visionary entrepreneur John DeLorean set out to revolutionize automotive design. He dreamed of creating a machine that defied conventional norms, and with its futuristic stainless steel body and iconic gull-wing doors, the DeLorean was born. From the very start, the journey was fraught with challenges. Pioneering engineering techniques clashed with the realities of a market unprepared for such a radical departure. Technical obstacles, unorthodox production methods, and financial turmoil all tested DeLorean's resolve. Yet, each setback only added to the car's mystique, turning every obstacle into a stepping stone toward legendary status. During its production, the DeLorean DMC became the embodiment of high stakes and high risk. Ambitious design goals met with controversial decisions, and every technical hiccup fed the growing mythos surrounding this cult car. It wasn't just a vehicle. It was a bold statement against mediocrity, a tribute to the spirit of innovation and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Today, the DeLorean stands as a monument to an era when daring visionaries pushed the boundaries of possibility. Its story is a testament to resilience and creativity, a narrative that continues to inspire car enthusiasts, innovators, and dreamers around the world. As we delve deeper into the trials, triumphs, and timeless allure of the DeLorean, prepare to discover how this iconic machine turned adversity into art and risk into revolution. Now, let's delve into the groundbreaking design and technical innovations of the DeLorean DMC, a car that redefined what was possible in automotive design. At first glance, the DeLorean captivates with its unpainted, brushed stainless steel body, a look that screams futuristic elegance and bold innovation. This reflective exterior not only gives the car its unmistakable, otherworldly appearance, but also symbolizes a revolutionary manufacturing approach that was decades ahead of its time. The iconic gull-wing doors are more than just a visual marvel. They represent a daring break from conventional design. Opening upward in a dramatic flourish, these doors transform every entry and exit into a cinematic experience, reinforcing the car's status as a true cult icon. Underneath this striking exterior lies a carefully engineered marvel. The mid-engine layout was a deliberate choice, ensuring optimal weight distribution and agile handling that set the DeLorean apart on the road. Every technical detail, from the robust chassis to the precisely tuned suspension, was designed with both performance and aesthetics in mind, creating a driving experience that is as exhilarating as it is unique. The engineering innovations of the DeLorean DMC extend beyond its looks. Utilizing a state-of-the-art stainless steel construction not only provided unmatched durability, but also contributed to its sleek, futuristic silhouette, a design element that continues to inspire automotive enthusiasts and designers around the world. Join us as we explore how these design elements and technical breakthroughs came together to form an automotive masterpiece. The DeLorean isn't just a car. It's a symbol of relentless innovation and a testament to a time when daring visions transformed into iconic reality. Now, let's explore the cultural phenomenon that is the DeLorean DMC. More than just a car, the DeLorean has become a timeless icon that reshaped our collective imagination. It all started with its unforgettable appearance in Back to the Future, where its sleek stainless steel body and dramatic gull-wing doors captured hearts and sparked dreams of time travel. But the DeLorean's influence doesn't stop at the movies. It has woven itself into the very fabric of pop culture, inspiring artists, musicians, and filmmakers around the globe. Across fan art, themed car shows, and exclusive collectibles, this car has transformed into a symbol of bold innovation and creative rebellion. Its striking design and daring engineering have made it a rallying point for communities who celebrate not only automotive excellence, but also the spirit of thinking beyond the ordinary. The DeLorean represents a fusion of science fiction and reality, a daring leap into a future that once seemed impossible. As we journey through its legacy, you'll see how this machine has ignited passion and imagination, turning a revolutionary design into a cultural movement. Stay with us as we uncover the layers of its impact and discover why the DeLorean DMC-12 continues to inspire and captivate, even decades after its debut. The DeLorean DMC isn't just a groundbreaking car. It's the heart of an electrifying global community. Enthusiasts from every corner of the world have come together, forming online forums, social media groups, and real-life meetups where the passion for this revolutionary machine thrives. Imagine dedicated fans meticulously restoring every detail, sharing insider tips and rare insights, and even crafting custom art that celebrates its iconic design. This community is built on a deep admiration for innovation and a rebellious spirit that defies the ordinary. Whether it's at vintage car rallies or during virtual restoration challenges, every interaction underscores a shared commitment to keeping the DeLorean's legacy alive. Here, every restoration project is a testament to creativity, and every meetup is a celebration of a vision that once dared to reimagine the future. By uniting a diverse network of collectors, hobbyists, and dreamers, the DeLorean fanbase has transformed into a movement, a living, breathing example of how a single car can inspire a lifetime of creativity and passion. As you dive into this world, you'll discover that joining the DeLorean community means becoming part of an enduring legacy that continues to push boundaries and ignite imaginations. In conclusion, the DeLorean DMC is much more than an automotive innovation. It's a timeless icon that challenged conventions and ignited imaginations. This car has not only redefined futuristic design with its stainless steel body and signature gull-wing doors, but has also become a symbol of daring creativity, seamlessly blending engineering marvel with pop culture magic. Today, its legacy lives on in every fan forum, every restoration project, and every nostalgic glance back at a time when bold ideas paved the way for the future. The story of the DeLorean is a powerful reminder that true innovation is born from the courage to defy the ordinary. If you found this journey into the world of the DeLorean DMC as inspiring as we did, please hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of legendary cars. Join our community and be a part of the revolution that celebrates automotive history and boundless imagination. Thank you for watching, and remember, every revolution starts with one bold idea. See you in the next video.